How AI works for beginners. This is Dwight, and in this video, we're going to talk about understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. First, what is AI? Well, it mimics human intelligence, software or machines that emulate human thinking. It learns from data, and it automates and can automate tasks, as well as do a bunch of other things, recognizing patterns, making decisions, or help you with creative tasks. The history in 1950, Alan Turing uh, came up with the idea of artificial intelligence. During the 80s and 90s, not much happened. And in the 2000s, AI began to boom. That's why you're seeing today products like ChatGPT and Gemini and Perplexity and a bunch of AI tools. So AI learns by using massive amounts of data, and that data is called training. So, for example, if you show a computer pictures of cats, it can learn to recognize the cat. In other words, it'll see a lot of pictures and learn what each cat looks like. The fuel that drives this AI engine is data, and the training data requires large data sets so that the software can learn patterns, relationships, and make predictions and decisions. The quality of the data has to be high, obviously, and it needs to be a continuous data input. Machine learning is a subset of AI. In other words, AI is based on machine learning, which is data-driven learning. Machine learning involves algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions. The types of learning, it includes both supervised and unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Each one has a different approach, and it has a bunch of wide applications in healthcare, technology, banking, fraud detection, etc. Deep learning uses neural networks, which are artificial neural networks. They have multiple layers, and they enable the model, which is what AI uses to learn, a large learning model, to learn complex patterns on data. Big data and computation, obviously, if you've got a lot of data, you need big computers. And some breakthroughs in AI, deep learning has driven significant advancements in fields like vision, natural language processing, and autonomous systems that can do stuff on their own. Neural networks are inspired by your brain. They are computational models. They're inspired, like I said, by the human brain. They use layers of neurons, not real neurons, obviously, and they are the foundation of deep learning. It's the building block upon which AI is based. So deep learning is how image recognition happens, language processing, and more. There's two types of AI. There's weak AI. For example, that can only do a task. Alexa would be one of them. Siri would be another. And there's strong AI, and we're not there yet. So here are some examples. So you've probably used a virtual assistant like Alexa or Siri. They can answer questions and control your lights. Then there are chat bots. If you've gone to a website and they have a little chat bot on the corner that answers questions about scheduling appointments um, or products or account balances. And then there's recommendation systems. Netflix uses one to recommend movies. Spotflix uses one to recommend music. But AI is everywhere. It helps in things like YouTube videos and Alexa, like we saw, and even in self-driving cars, which have been used in California for example, on Google's campus. They use self-driving cars. There's also a rental company that uses self-driving cars. And in gaming, so makes video games more challenging and fun, and can You can control non-player characteristics. And obviously in social media, uh, suggest friends and even detects harmful content. This is where could have a tremendous benefit in healthcare, in improved diagnostics. In other words, AI can read massive amounts of data and use that data to help analyze, for example, uh, help analyze heart and cancer and other types of diseases. You'll see more and more personalized treatment. In other words, treatment that's based on you and not on some group of people, and streamlined operations. Learning to work with AI, you develop a basic AI literacy. You got to learn the fundamentals. This is one of them. You got to use it with hands-on experience. So you can use ChatGPT or Gemini or Tech Perplexity, like I said, to as a starter point. And obviously, there are ethical considerations because AI people forget that AI is built by humans and can have the same biases as humans have. So why should you learn it? Well, this is real easy. More and more career opportunities. AI skills are going to be in high demand across a bunch of industries, healthcare being one, finance being another. If you can think of an industry, AI is probably going to impact it. Innovation and problem solving, you and large companies have something similar in that you have problems. AI can help you solve those problems and can automate tasks. And it future proofs your skills because while we're starting to see AI today, this is by far not the end. There's going to be tons of usage for AI going forward, and you want to be in the forefront of using it. So start using AI today. Um, This is Dwight. If you enjoyed this channel, subscribe. Click the button below and subscribe. Share this channel with your family and friends, and comment so that we can get your feedback. Have a great day, man, and thanks for watching the videos.